Hello guys, hello everyone, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm making soup, so let's go and buy some meat from the market, you guys. So follow me as I go and buy the meat that I'm going to use for the cooking of the soup, you guys. So let's go. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Con hueso, sí. Pero todo no, ¿eh? Bueno, a ver.
Yo pongo feta,
12 con,
70.
vale. 1 kg and 600 gram. Almost 2 kg, you guys. Almost 6 kg. That one is cow meat. Yeah, there's the meat. This part is for chicken, you guys. Yeah, they have chicken. They have chicken. They have some chicken feet. Those are chicken feet, you guys. Yeah, they sell all that stuff. They also sell vegetables. Yeah. They sell vegetables. They sell gizzard. These are gizzard. This is chicken liver. So this one is chicken liver. And this one is yeah. No, the stuff is like here. There's a different type of meat, you guys. Okay. Although I don't know the soup that I'm going to cook yet. I'm still thinking. Vale, it's okay. ¿Qué hueso es esto? You guys know that I speak Spanish, right? So I'm communicating with you with Spanish. In case you don't know. I'm asking you which bone is this? ¿Qué hueso es esto? ¿Eso es hueso de rodilla? Ah. A ver cuánto pesa esto, Shaki. Eso no, Shaki. ¿Está fresco?
Sí.
Hoy, vale. 5 euros? ¿Cuánto vale un kilo? Vale, casi un kilo, bien. Está bien. Gallina.
¿Gallina?
Sí, uno bueno, este. Sí, una. I want to buy 1 chicken. Because I will soon make 2. Imagine, 1 chicken is 4 euros. Bien, trocitos, por favor. I will also make stew, but I don't know when. So let me get this chicken and keep it at home first. Yeah, I bought 1 kg of meat. No, it's almost 2 kg because that one was 2 kg and 1 kg and 600 grams. Okay. The beef that I just got. Sorry guys, put on the video. Yeah. Love you guys. So I'm still taking with soup to cook anyway, but let me get some first. Later I will know. You guys, I'm done. Oh, hey, I just spent 25 euros. 25 euros on this thing here. Look. Only this bag, 25 euros I just spent right now. For meat, I bought shaki. I bought cow nose. Then I bought what else did I buy? Shaki. Oh, I bought 1 chicken. I bought 1 chicken in case I want to prepare stew. I will know that I have chicken at home. I will add some turkey to eat, some turkey to chicken. Then what else? Yeah. Only meat now. Just spend 25 euros. I never go buy fish. You see? I never buy fish. I never buy ogbono. If not ogbono, I want cook now. I never buy ogbono. So 25 card don't go. We're going to cross on this zebra cross. The traffic is red. Red. Let's wait until it turns green. My people, I've spent 25 euro already. I never buy anything. I don't buy everything. No. Just meat now. For those I never know the soup I want to cook tomorrow now, but and the suspension now gonna go be. You guys will also see the video. After cooking, you will see the video. I think I'll be making ogbono soup. The weight is still expensive now. The person want you cook real food now. If you know like 50 card, now if you cook camel. The person know 50 euros now. You know if you cook soup, okay? You know if you cook soup now, if you know 50 euros. What is still expensive now? Only meat now. I don't use 50, how much? Only chicken and everything not go enter the soup. But every other meat now inside the soup they go. Only chicken not go enter the soup now. But every other meat. The weather is somehow cold today. That is why I'm with big jacket. The weather is cold. The weather is somehow cold. That's why I'm with big jacket, you guys. I wear big jacket because the weather cold. So let's go, guys. I will take you guys to Afro shop now. African shop where I'll buy the ogbono, okay? I'm going to be buying ogbono. So I will take you guys to African shop now to buy ogbono and fish. Alright? So you guys, so I could not take you guys with me to the African shop because my phone went off, you guys. So here is the ogbono that I bought. I bought these two ogbono. Each one was €5, you guys. Each ogbono was €5. So this ogbono you are seeing in this plate is €10, okay, you guys. So yeah. So I later decide to cook ogbono. So here they are, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I prepare the ogbono. First, I'm going to blend everything, blend the ogbono. Then before I go and prepare other things, you guys. Yeah, as you guys can see, this is how I blend my ogbono, you guys. This is how I blend it. So guys, here I have my stockfish. This stockfish head, the head of stockfish is what I have here. I'm going to pour hot water into the stockfish just to make it soft and for it to be easy for me to clean. You guys, as you can see, this is what I'm doing right here. I'm going to clean this stockfish. The use of hot water in it is to make it more soft. That is a very strong stockfish is a very strong fish, you guys, because it is very very dry. So for you to make it soft, you have to boil hot water and pour it in it, or cook it in the pot. So yeah, so after doing that, I clean the stockfish, they added it to the protein that I'm cooking already. Yeah, you guys, I cook everything together like so. So you guys, thank you guys for always being here, for watching my videos, for liking, for commenting, for sharing. You guys are just the best. If you have any question to ask me, please do not forget to leave it on my comment section. I'll be glad to answer you all. So yeah, if you have any question to ask me, leave it on my comment section, so I will answer you, okay? Yeah, I will reply your comments. So here I'm adding the fish. I need to add one mackerel fish into the soup. Yep, you guys, depending on the quantity of the soup that you are cooking, then you can add fish to it as you want it. Alright, you guys, so I will put this fish for some minutes before I remove it, because I'm also going to remove the fish later before I will put it back again, just for the fish not to break, okay? You guys know that when you are cooking your soup or stew, if you are cooking your fish together with every other protein, before you will add your egusi or ogbono or whichever thing that you are cooking, it's a good idea for you to remove the fish first. Then when you are done stirring the soup, then you can add back the fish. That is the only way your fish will not break. If you know that you still want to eat your fish when you are eating food, so yeah, it's good for you to remove it like this. Then after you know that you have done stirring the soup, then you will bring back the fish. You guys will see how I did it, guys. This is how I always cook my soup. I always remove the fish because I know when you want to eat your soup, you want fish in it. So if you don't want your fish to break, it's either you boil your fish with other pots, then later add it to the soup, or you decide to boil the fish together with the protein, then later you remove it. Yeah, you guys will see how I did it. So guys, this ogbono soup that I'm going to cook, I mix it up with bitter leaf. You know that you can mix your okra with ugu leaf, scent leaf, or you use bitter leaf, you guys. So here I'm using bitter leaf to mix the ogbono, because I don't like my ogbono plain, just just cooking like that without no leaf or okra. For me it is too plain. So what I usually do is either I add bitter leaf to it, or I will add ugu leaf or spinach or I will add spinach leaf, you guys. That is what I usually do whenever I want to cook ogbono. I don't like my ogbono plain like that, you know. Yeah. So yep, you guys. But before I add the bitter leaf, I make sure that I wash it very well. Okay. Make sure that I wash that bitter leaf very well to remove the bitterness in it. Yep, you guys. So guys, this is how I'm going to make my ogbono. Okay. You know there are different methods of making your ogbono. You can make it like this, or you can add oil to your ogbono, then you put it into microwave. Or there's other pattern that my mom used to make our ogbono. She would just add ogbono into a bowl, then add oil to it, put it inside the pot where the protein is cooking. Where she's cooking the protein, right? So we just put the bowl into that pot and cover it up. The ogbono will melt that way, or you also do it this way that I'm doing it, you guys. So there are different ways of melting your ogbono before you cook it, guys. So yeah, so you do it like this. There will not be any lumps in it, you guys. You see, there will not. Yeah, this is how I made my ogbono. Okay, there are different ways that you can do it. If you cannot do it this way, you can also use your own way that you know that it is good for you. Okay, guys. Yeah, this is what I'm doing here. This ogbono soup was so good. It was so delicious, you guys. Yeah, I said let me show you guys how I did it. Hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, all those good stuff, you guys. Thank you so much for always being here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. Thank you, guys. You can see how slimy the ogbono is, right? It is so slimy. A very good ogbono. You can see how clean the ogbono was before I blend it, right? Yeah. Yeah. This is so good. Mm. So now I'm going to add back the fish because at this point I'm done stirring this soup. I'm just stirring it, okay? So I'll bring back the fish. Even if I have to stir it now, make sure that I stir it gently. Okay, not like the way that I stir it when I put the ogbono into the pot, right? But this time I'm going to stir it gently so that the fish will not break. This is how I usually cook my soup with fish, okay? So that at the end of the day there will still be fish to eat. Yes, so that at the end of the day when you want to eat your food, you will still find fish inside the soup. If not, your fish will just, yeah, you guys. Thank you all for always being here. God bless.